To solve this problem, you need to know that the difference of squares of two consecutive natural numbers is equal to the sum of these numbers. 2024 squared minus 2023 squared is equal to 2024 plus 2023, which is equal to 4047. To prove this, we can use the difference of squares formula. A squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. 2024 squared minus 2023 squared is equal to 2024 minus 2023 times 2024 plus 2023. Since the numbers are consecutive, the difference is equal to 1, and the equation simplifies to 2024 plus 2023, which is equal to 4047. Therefore, 2024 squared is equal to 2023 squared plus 4047, which is equal to 4,096,576. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you.